Today our journey started from Rathmalana. Early in the morning, we headed to our first destination, Canelia Rainforest. As soon as we arrived, we were welcomed by a refreshing rain shower. The rain made the forest look even more beautiful, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. Next, we visited Anagimala Waterfall. The cool water and the natural surroundings made it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. After that, we headed to Jungle Beach. With its clear blue water and calm vibes, it was the perfect spot to unwind and capture some amazing moments. Before ending the day, we made a quick stop at Gali Fort. From Canelia to Anagimala Waterfall, Jungle Beach, and Gali Fort. This journey was filled with beautiful views, great memories, and unforgettable experiences.